Welcome to my page, Making Fun and Building Memories. I'm going to show you how to build a blowgun out of a 1/2-inch PVC pipe. All you're going to need is about 2 foot of PVC, 1/2-inch pipe. And you're going to need a 1/2-inch to 3/4 reducer. Just stick that on the one end, just like that. Now I'm going to show you how to make the little darts. Right there is one of the little darts. You're going to need some note paper. It's about 2 by 2 note paper. And I got the side of a cereal box. You could also use a party hat. You just need that point. And this is how I make them darts. Some Scotch tape. Rip a piece off. Fold that around there. So, and tape it. I like to put another piece of Scotch tape on there, cover up where the first piece didn't hit. Take your PVC pipe. Stick your finger in your little 1 you already made, stick it in there and twist it a little bit. I was going to put a mark on there so you're going to know where to cut that. Take a pair of scissors. And cut it. Trim that up just a little. Take your little funnel thing you made. I'm putting it between 2 little boards there. My tips are 1-inch little wire nails, I guess they call them. You could use a little bigger, maybe a little smaller if you want. Take a glue gun. Get this nail ready. Just put a little bit of glue down inside there. Maybe 1/4 of the way up. Stick this nail in. Try to keep that nail like inside that glue, not like all the way to the tip of that, like the head of the nail. Put some more glue in there. Now fill it about 3/4 of the way. You have to scrape off this excess on your nail. Let's trim it a little bit. Perfect. For me. Let me make another one. Just watch a little close up. If you understand. Get your piece of paper. Get your tape. Wrap it around there. Try to keep that nice and tight, so you barely have a hole right here in the tip. That'll make that easier when you put glue in there. Take your PVC pipe, like I said, stick it in there. Twist it a little bit, makes a circle. Try to cut that line. Your nail ready? Try to do this holding it. Hopefully I don't burn myself. And fill it up the rest of the way so it's about 3/4 of the way full. Try to keep that glue so it's as level as it can be inside there. That way these will fly straight. Try this one out. Okay, there's your blow dart gun. I also took some duct tape, fancy camouflage duct tape, and I wrapped it around that to make it look nice. Now I'm going to do one more thing. Take some 1/2-inch insulation you can buy at Lowe's. Take your insulation, I'm going to color that in with a marker. You don't have to do this. I think it's just going to look a little nicer. Like your other one, take a real small little screwdriver, heat that up. Nail it right down through there. I got 6 holes. Color that one in. Take some electrical tape and wrap it around there. go. Alright, let's try it out. But miss.
Hey. I missed that one.
There we go. Thanks for watching my video.
Please leave a like and subscribe and click our picture in the corner of the video.
And also watch, I should have another video right up in here. Watch the video on making a PVC bow. Thank you.